Good afternoon, children. So today we are going to discuss the new chapter, motion, movement. So did you ever see anything which move, car, buses, wheel, ambulance? Nowadays we are saying that. Anyone can give some of the examples which move?
Vehicles. In the matter, they are continuously moving.
Very good. Recently we have done now. Next.
Yes. Sir, the earth moves around the sun.
Very good. Other students,
So the fan,
please participate.
the fan moves.
Yes, you are right.
Clock.
Let me say.
Vehicle
Will
wheel.
the slain moves or not slain?
Move, sir.
Elephant,
Yes, sir.
cheetah, rabbit.
Yes, sir.
In zoo, how many animals you saw? No, why you are not responding?
We have seen many animals, sir.
All the animals move or not?
Yes, sir. They move in their cages.
Recently, I have seen one joke in that it is living like that. Once one of the your friend went to zoo and she suddenly stopped at one place and eagerly watching at that animal. He's not understanding what animal it is. He's unable to identify. As you said, some animal names, rabbit, cheetah, and all those things. But he was unable to say what animal it is. Very curiously looking at it. And suddenly he lost his temper and called the zoo curator who was passing by. Uncle, come in. Yes, Babu, what do you want? I'm not understanding what this animal is. The curator laughed and said, that's not the animal, it's a mirror. Children, I didn't find any smile in your face. Why? Because you also didn't understand.
No, sir, we understood, sir.
What did you understand?
Sir, indirectly he's saying that we are the animals.
I did not say that you are the animal. Okay, anyhow, somewhat you have understood. So why I'm saying about here that thing is, animals move, vehicles move. Everything around us is moving. Even that you said fan, no? Fan is also moving. This chapter is very interesting chapter and you can call this one as alphabet for your future. When you join in school, will the teacher start to teach APP Apple from the first day onwards?
No, sir.
Oh, no.
No, sir.
Okay, if you learn ABC, can you show that you know full education?
No, sir.
Unless we learn the alphabets, can we learn the words?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Your 9th class syllabus is like alphabets for your bright future. If you understand the 9th class syllabus, then there are many things are going to come that you learn very easily. It opens the door for your future science. This chapter is also the same. It starts from basic. Imagine when you join in the school, your teacher asks you to write A. How many times you have written A? Maybe the first letter only you have carried for 1 month on the slate. And you might have written 1,000 times. So same thing happens with this chapter also. Don't feel that I'm not understanding and it is very difficult. Don't come to a conclusion. It is very easy chapter. You will understand. First alphabet in motion chapter, we are giving the names for the types of motion. So far we have seen now so many motions. We are categorizing now. First, let me start from the picture, periodic motion. Here you can see the sun and earth. We all know that if earth continues rotates from this point and to reach this point, how many days it takes approximately?
365.
65.
Very good. Indirectly, instead of asking your age, I may ask your age in different manner. Can you say how many times Earth rotated around the sun since your birth? How many times it rotated around the sun?
13 times.
13 times. Very good. For me, it is 46. 46 times Earth rotated. So another way of asking the age. Why? Because Earth always takes same time to complete one of its rotation. If anything takes same time to complete one rotation or one situation, then we will call it as periodic. For every 40 minutes, you are having one period. For every 1 month, 4 months, we'll get season. Now, did you ever see the watch? I'm saying the
Yes,
needle
sir.
watch. Seconds needle for every, how many seconds it rotates, completes one oscillation?
60 seconds. 60
Minutes?
seconds. 60 minutes.
60 minutes. Yeah, right. All right. Hours?
24 hours.
No. 12 hours.
Well,
Yes. These are all which take same time to complete one of its rotation or oscillation or whatever it may be. We will call them as periodic motions. Now, can you say any that you recollect from your mind or experience or surroundings? Any?
the swing will be example of oscillatory motion.
Very good. Very good. And my friend Murthy, who is having the Kirana shop, no need to check the watch. He always opens his shop shutter at 6 o'clock. For many of the people nearby home, it's almost equivalent to the alarm. He opens the shutter with a rugged sound. Da, 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 da. So he thinks that 6 o'clock. And do you know Mokshagandam Visvesvaraya, most famous engineer? He maintains the time perfectly. Now you can say that any other examples like that? Periodic, systematically, and according to the time. Anyone? What did you observe around you that which
Sir,
occurs?
we always see our class at the same time.
Very good. Good. Only Ria is there in the class. What about the other students? Give your own examples. Every year you get holidays on the same month.
Sir, every year our birthday comes on the same date.
Very good. Very good. Next. Children, other children, please participate. It's very simple question. Repeating certain thing after
The summer season or monsoon or any season starts.
good. Good. Next. I hope so that one type of motion is periodic motion. Now we are coming to know what is meant by periodic motion. The motion or the movement which takes always same time period to complete one motion or one oscillation or anything. Here's second thing, you can see oscillatory. You can see the pendulum clock. Still, I remember my childhood days. We used to have this type of watches on me. Another person, you can say that who uses this pendulum. In movies also might have seen. Who is that person? Uses the pendulum.
Physiotherapist.
No. Hypnotist. He keeps the pendulum and asks us to see the pendulum. No? Did you see this? Okay. Did you ever play with pendulum? Pendulum is a small stone
Yes, sir.
hanging. It's very easy to do, Nana. It's not difficult. It is very easy to do. So children, afterwards you can try. Even if you have the thread and the thing, any object nearby, you can tie it now itself and you can show. It's a pendulum. Oscillates. Oscillate. And yes, in childhood we have played in the park. Did you ever get into the cradle or swing? Baba, silently. You never went to park? Where all the children are there? Wait 1 minute. So most of the children are there. Nana, just keep your hand up like this. Just thumbs up, not thumbs up. Just keep your hand up. Good, and me. And say bye. Say bye to me. Bye. Okay. How your hand is moving now?
It is the
Your oscillation.
oscillatory motion.
Oscillation means like this: left, right, to, fro, to and fro. So a pendulum, if you say the pendulum means that is any object which is hanging by the thread, you can call it as pendulum. It's oscillating. Now we will come to the circulatory. Why this tire picture is given? Can you say?
Because the tire
It is an
rotates.
example of circulatory motion.
And one of our friends said that the fan. Can I call the fan as also circulatory motion?
Yes, sir.
Good. Some of kids are there in this picture. Curvilinear motion. You can see that what is throwing?
Basketball.
Ball, sir.
Ball. When you throw a ball, how that ball moves?
In a curve shape.
In a curve shape. And translatory motion. Now, can you say that why this track is given? How the people runs? Will they go in zigzag motion or will they go straight?
In a parallel motion.
In a straight.
Now, can you say what is translatory motion? Yes, you are right. What is translatory motion?
Straight line motion.
Going in a straight direction.
Very good. Very good. Now, these are the names we can put basing on the motion which we see in front of us. Every day, so many different types of motions. Sometimes some motions are combination. Did you ever ride a bicycle?
Yes.
The
Yes,
pedal
sir.
is in
Yes,
circular motion. The pedal is circular motion. But your thigh while pushing, thigh. Up and down. It makes up and down, no? Oscillatory motion. Your cycle goes in
Circulatory motion.
cycle. Straight.
Translatory motion.
Translatory motion. Cycle. Tanmay, I think you got that out. You're no, I didn't ask that cycle tire. I asked cycle.
Okay, sir.
Cycle tire is circular motion. Cycle goes in translator motion. No? I can see your face clearly. You kept the doubtful face. No, that's the benefit of owning the video, so the teacher can see your faces like the class. Yes, Nanda. Classroom teaching is the best way teachers observe the student faces, and based on your expression only, you will change your explanation. Depends upon the situation. Continues. Now, if you off the video, I cannot read your faces. Try to keep like that. So, children, we have learned different types of motion. Now you can understand what are the different types of motion. Now we are going to discuss another thing, reference point. Then all of you write this word, reference point. This is second most important point in the motion chapter, reference point. Generally, some questions and we generally give the answers without any thinking. Suppose if I ask a question like this: is Hyderabad is far or nearer?
Far, sir.
Sir.
Visakhapatnam?
Near, sir.
Near.
If I ask the same question for Vinay as he is in Assam,
Yes, sir.
which one is far,
Far, sir.
Visakhapatnam or Assam?
Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam. Why the same Visakhapatnam for us nearer and for him farther?
Because he is in different place.
It
Yeah.
means what we have done, he answered by taking his position as reference one. Involuntarily, we are doing that thing. When we answer, we are taking ourselves as a reference. As we are sitting in Visakhapatnam, we are comparing everything from Visakhapatnam. Involuntarily, we are doing that. A reference always we take. In this chapter, this particular point you should understand. You cannot say anything nearer or farther unless you know what point is reference. You can see the picture. Now here, if I ask this one, the reddish orange color one is now, I have taken this one as a reference one. And you can see the boat and shore. The houses, buildings on the shore. Now, is the boat is nearer or shore is nearer?
Boat.
Boat, sir.
Yes.
Both are
Yes.
near.
Why? Because you compared. Now you have taken this one as a reference. Is it not? If suppose this boat is there, this corner boat, screen corner boat, small boat is there, no? If I ask the same person to that person, is the shore is nearer or this orange color is nearer, means what do you say?
Shore is near, sir.
Shore is near.
Or is nearest.
He has taken that position, that person's position as a reference. Isn't it? A reference we need to take to calculate the positions or distance or displacement. First thing that is required, from where I should to start my calculation. That starting point from my calculate the things, that point I call it as a reference point. Now I'll ask one question. Am I big? Am I older
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
than my mother?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Someone is saying
No,
yes.
sir.
It is impossible. But am I older? When I asked, you said that SS means indirectly you are taking yourself as a reference.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In physics, such mistakes. Always we have to look for the reference. If they did not mention, we have to ask, what is the reference point? Otherwise, very rarely we have to use the common sense. Somewhere and somehow that reference point will be mentioned in the question. It's starting position. Or else from where we have to start calculating or measuring on all those things. That reference position is very, very important. Now, children, I hope you understood the reference.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The point which we use for the comparison. Now, all of you, please note down this definition. A place or object used to describe the position or motion of another object is called reference point. It's there on the screen. You can copy from the screen.
Okay, sir.
Now, we'll go to the actual topic, that is distance and displacement. If possible, please draw this picture. Put A. At A, you are there, cycle or cycle. The B is your house. And C, somewhere a tree nearby house. All of you draw this picture fast. Not necessary to maintain the same neatness. Roughly you can draw the tree, roughly you can draw your face, your experts, and house also. And put ABC and keep the measurements also 4 meter, 3 meter, 5 meter. Okay. Now all of you try the word distance. Distance. Actual path traveled by the object is called distance. Actual path traveled by the object is called distance. Actual path. Now put situation 1. All of you put right situation on 1.
Yes.
And whatever the letters I say, you just write. A comma B. Means you started from A and reached to B. Now can you say how much distance you traveled?
4 meter.
Very good. 4 meters. This beside you write 4 meters.
Sir, for displacement, we can make another statement, sir. Displacement is less than distance or equals to distance.
Okay, Haripreet, you are in the sky. You need to come down to earth. That is the next discussion. Thank you. Whatever you said is correct. Just wait. Okay. We are discussing distance now. That we continue the same. Now, right, he came down to earth. So, situation 2. Write like this. A comma B comma C. When C reaches to C. Now, what is the distance
7
traveled by A?
meter.
7 meters.
Very good. Very good. Good. Next situation 3. A comma, B comma, C comma, A. Means it started from A, reached to B, from there to C. Again, he came back to A. What is the distance it traveled from A to B? He traveled
12 kilometers.
12 meters.
very good. 12 meters. Good. Now, write Harpreet's word. Displacement. Second word, displacement. It is the distance between starting point and ending point. It is the distance between starting point and ending point. So to calculate the displacement, okay, there isn't matter definition is over now. What is the definition for displacement? It is the distance between.
The starting point and the ending
Starting
point.
point and ending point.
Very good. Now, what we have to identify, we need to identify what is the starting point and what is the ending point. That
Start-
distance we will call it.
A.
Good. First situation we see now A comma B. Now, what is the starting point?
A.
Starting point is A and ending point is
Point
B.
is B.
Now, what is the displacement here?
4 meters.
4 meter.
4 meters.
4 meters.
Second, A comma B comma C. What is the first starting point?
Yes. The starting
A.
point.
Very good. Ending point.
C.
C.
Now, what is the distance between them?
7
7
meters.
meters.
Displacement.
5 meter.
That's it. We have to say here the black line. It is the distance between the A and C. Now, in third situation, what is the starting point?
A.
Ending point.
A.
A.
Now, what is the displacement?
0.
That's it. Why? Because starting point and ending point are same, no? Very good, my children. Now you learned A, B, C, starting alphabets in first day itself. I trained more, but just learn C only. AB comes along with the time, means distance and displacement. So today I will give some questions to you as homework. I will not explain. You have to find out the distance and displacement for all the possible situations. And as I already said, don't post the homework to me. Do it a homework notebook, take pic and store in pen drive or else Google Drive in the computer or from phone also you can save. So thank you very much, children. Very good, very nice participation. I'm expecting from all sides to participate. Good morning, Karate girl. Mrudula. Good morning, not good morning, good afternoon. So, any other hacker? Children, please try to make a habit to put your videos on. Sai Harsha, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good. I hope so that today you have understood different types of motion, the reference point, distance and displacement. Will you do the homework?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
try?
Yes, sir.
So,
Thank you, my
Yes,
children.
sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you,
And
sir.
take care of your health. Don't go outside. Don't play with your friends. Because nowadays a third wave fear is there. It is concentrating and affecting the children much. just we'll spare and spend our time in a positive manner and effective manner by doing the works of the school. And we will increase the quality of our classes also. Now, if you have anything to say, you can share. Anything is it?
Sir, displacement will be the shortest distance between the initial point and the ending point.
That's it. Very good. Tanmay, did you understand?
By Riya's definition, I understood still more.
Shortest distance between the starting point or initial point and ending point. Very good, Riya. Thank you, Riya. Thank you, Tanmay. Chandni Priya, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. So thank you, children. I'm going to end the class. Take
Thank
care
you, sir.
of your
Bye, sir.
health. We'll meet in the next
Thank
class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, love you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Nana. Bye,
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, Nana. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Nana.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, sir. Bye. Bye, Nana.